Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Madden NFL for starters not playing. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to turn off progressive fatigue. So in franchise mode, the progressive fatigue setting simulates the effects of playing multiple games in a row, so causing players to get tired and need to rest. However, this can sometimes cause starters to be benched even when they are not actually fatigued. So by turning off progressive fatigue, you can ensure that your starters are always available to play. And the next what you can do is to adjust the fatigue slider. So the fatigue slider determines how quickly players get tired during a game. So if this is set too high, it can cause players to get tired too quickly and need to rest even if they are not actually fatigued. So by adjusting the slider down to 0, you can ensure that your players stay fresh throughout the game. And then next what you can do is to check auto subs. So auto subs are settings that determine which players are automatically subbed in and out of the game based on their fatigue level. So if these settings are not adjusted correctly, then they can cause starters to be benched even when they are not actually tired. So by checking and adjusting the auto sub settings, you can ensure that your starters are always on the field when you need them. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.